Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are among the hills of the Chianti Classico area here in Tuscany. We are specifically 6 kilometers from Castellina in Chianti and less than 2 hours away from Siena, Firenze and San Gimignano. Hidden away among these green hills, we find today's country estate. It is organic and it is an agriturismo with its own olive grove. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The estate covers a total surface of about 27.4 hectares of land. The ample olive grove is 11.4 hectares and is made up of Frantoio, Leccino and Moraiolo cultivars. A blend of the three olives produces an excellent olive oil, with a yearly production ranging around 2,500 kgs, which is equaling about 2,730 liters. A small portion of arable land would be very suitable to plant a vineyard, capable of producing an excellent wine to be served to your guests together with the oil. The remaining surface is covered by mixed woodland, grazing land and gardens. The property is also crossed by a small stream flowing all year long and feeding a small pond. For the electrical supply, the estate can rely on a 10 kilowatts photovoltaic system that can also accumulate 10 more kilowatts of power to use when needed. Let's now talk about the buildings. The main farmhouse is right behind me and it is a huge building, 985 square meters, laid on a total of 3 floors, with a total of 10 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. It can be seen either as a singular huge unit, or it could be also divided into several apartments, about 5, each one with its independent access. Right next to the main country home, we have a second building, which is as well rustic style, and it has a total of 230 square meters. Currently used for the olive oil production, it could also easily be turned into another guest house. Last but not least, up on the hill among the olive trees, you can actually see it from here, there is a cute 85 square meters guest house with its kitchen, living space, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The complex was fully restored in 2015, preserving the buildings in their original look thanks to a series of carefully planned works, carried out only with original and appropriate materials. The external stone walls have been cleaned and valorized, while inside it was decided to keep all those features typical of Tuscan country houses, such as the wooden beams and the terracotta flooring. The result is a very welcoming country house, completed by design furniture well integrated with the rustic look of the building. We are now inside the main and first apartment of the property. You can straight away notice that we first access this entrance room with this beautiful parquet floor, and through this arch we arrive to the dining area. One thing I love about this apartment is that it is full of natural light thanks to these 3 windows. Through this other arch we get to the kitchen space and have a look at this gorgeous Gaggenau steel kitchen, worth of notice. Through here, we also have another room over there used as a pantry. By the dining area we've just seen, stepping down a few steps, we get to this huge gym, which is wonderful with this parquet floor full of techno gym equipment. And this is for sure the perfect place to start off your day with a wonderful workout. From here, you also have direct access to the outdoor space, very close to the swimming pool, to have a swim after your workout. One other room I would like to show you is by the entrance. This door right behind me leads us to another apartment, which could be considered the second apartment of the house, which also has its independent access. But by opening this door, you can connect these two units to create one larger space. On the first floor of the apartment is where we find 4 of its bedrooms. It starts off with this room, currently used as a library, and through this door we get to the larger bedroom, which is the master. Let's go and see it. What I love about this bedroom is how large it is and at the same time super cozy, with this simple design and clean finishes, high ceilings and so much natural light. Through this door right behind me, we can get to a very spacious and large ensuite bathroom, whilst through this other one over here, we get to the walk-in wardrobe. The floor then keeps going and we arrive just by the entrance room to this large living space. It has really high ceilings, this huge original fireplace, and it is the ideal place to sit down, relax and read a book. Beside the living space we've just seen, we have this cute and cozy office space. And 2 things I'd like you to notice is the incredible view of the vineyard and some of the details out of the window that you have from here. And right behind me, have a look at this impressive wardrobe with all of these carvings. As we walk along, we arrive to the rest of the bedrooms. There are 3 more, and each one has its own dedicated bathroom. Let's now have a look at another section of the house. It has its own independent staircase access, and as we walk in, we get to this entrance room. This room connects the 2 suites of this part, and by adding a kitchen over here, there are actually already all the attachments and the tubes ready to apply it. It could become an actual independent apartment. Right below the house, we find this beautiful 13 by 8 meters swimming pool. It is surrounded by this stone-paved sunbathing area, and I love how it is immersed in the green. so you can take a relaxing bath while admiring all of this nature. Just below the swimming pool, you can see from here the private pond of the property. Finally, I would like to show you this separate building right beside the main country home. It is currently used for the olive oil production, but it could be easily converted into another guest house. So the first part on the right is currently used for all of the olive oil production, with all of the machinery and all of the equipment you could need for the production. Whilst on the left part of the building, through this other door, there are other rooms currently used for hosting olive oil tastings, and on the upper floor there is a space used as an office with its own bathroom. The new owners could easily convert this property to being a private home, while enjoying its fantastic position on the Chianti Hills and its olive oil production. We have now gotten to the end of today's property tour. I would like to finally take the chance to remind you about subscribing to our channel for new videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.